Withdrawing money from your Lyft account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transfer. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your earnings. Step 2. Go to your earnings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the upper left corner. From the menu, select Earnings to view your total earnings and available balance. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. In the Earnings section, look for the option to withdraw or cash out. Tap on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. You will be prompted to select a withdrawal method. Choose Bank Transfer if you want to send the money directly to your bank account. Ensure that your bank account details are correctly entered. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the transfer is processed, which may take a few business days to reflect in your bank account. Once you've completed these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for assistance.